Hey guys, there's something satisfying about sanding a project that you finished building into a smooth surface. Sanders have come a long, long way, and we're now starting to see cordless sanders on the market. So Dewalt has this 20 volt 5-inch random orbital sander, cordless. It's part of their XR line, which is that extended runtime line that they have. I gotta tell you guys, there's not a bad tool in this line. I get excited about the XR line more so than FlexVolt. It is a really nice line. It is geared towards contractors, remodelers, and carpenters. The sander itself has a brushless motor. It's going to give you probably an hour, close to an hour of runtime on a 5 amp hour battery. I ran it with a smaller battery to keep the weight down. It's got a really nice overmold, and that's going to reduce fatigue from the vibration of the tool. It's a compact tool, it is easy to manage, and it weighs 1.9 pounds. Kind of has a lowered body, kind of lower center of gravity, allows you to get closer to the work surface for more control, as well as it's going to give you some clearance, better clearance underneath things. Easy to reach variable speed dial. Right on top of the tool, you can just hit it with your finger while you're operating, right next to the power switch. That variable speed dial provides oscillations from 8,000 to 12,000 oscillations per minute. The power switch has a rubber boot over it, and it's a rocker style, and that's going to keep the dust and debris out of it. And we all know that dust kills tools and switches. So nicely done, Dewalt. 8-hole hook and loop Velcro sanding pad. Straightforward, nothing really to report there. I especially liked the one-handed, easy-to-lock dust bag. It just clips right off. Easy to use. There's an attachment connection here that securely attaches the dust port to the DCW210B and 012 dust collectors. Using the vacuum, simple, easy, I liked it. It's powerful, low vibration. The dust collection with the bag actually works really good, and when I hooked it up to my dust collector, it worked awesome. As far as improvements go, making the vacuum hose connection to the tool, the dust collection port, it actually required me to use an adapter that I already had in my shop. It was not easy to do, and Dewalt should provide an adapter to simplify that. While we did not get continuous use testing on this tool, we did get well over an hour of on and off use of it. Acme Tools actually tested this sander. There's a video online, and they got an hour, almost an hour of continuous use with a 5 amp hour battery. This sander will come in a couple of configurations. It'll come kitted with a 5 amp hour battery for $249, kitted with a 2 amp hour battery for $199, and you'll see it as a bare tool for $119. Bottom line, guys, if you're using cordless tools, you need to get a cordless sander. It's enough said on that. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. I know it was a short one. It was an easy one to review. We'll see you next time. Take care.